we have to find the length of segment KL. We have given side KL by expression 4x minus 8, and ML side is given by expression x plus 16. What else we have given on this diagram? LN segment is perpendicular to segment KM, because we have this square here. So we can write that LN segment is perpendicular to KM segment. What else? Because we have this red marks, it means that KN is congruent to MN segment. It means that N is the midpoint of segment KM. So N is the midpoint of KM segment. So because segment LN is perpendicular to KM and N is the midpoint of KM segment, it means that segment LM is perpendicular bisector of segment KM. So from these two statements we have that LN segment is perpendicular bisector of segment KM. So now if we know that LN is perpendicular bisector of KM, we can use perpendicular bisector theorem, and by this theorem we know that if LN is perpendicular bisector of KN, then sides KL and ML are congruent. It means that KL is equal to ML. So we can write that by perpendicular bisector theorem we have that KL is equal to ML. KL is given by this expression, so we can substitute to our equation left side by 4x minus 8, and ML is given by that expression, x plus 16. We got equation with one unknown x. So I will move x to the left side. We will have 4x minus x is equal, and negative 8 I will move to the right side. So you have 16 plus 8. 4x minus x is 3x. So this is equal 16 plus 8 is 24. Because we have multiplication on the left side, now I will divide both sides by 3 to get x, and we will have 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 8. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we have unknown x. If we have unknown x, we can come back to expression 4x minus 8, because the length of segment KL is given by this expression. We will substitute x by 8, and we will have the length of segment KL. So we have that KL is 4x minus 8. So this is equal 4 we copy, x we will substitute by 8 minus 8 we have. So this is equal 4 times 8 is 32 minus 8 is equal 24. 4. So we have the length of segment KL. This is my solution.